Hi boys and girls, we're ready for another OG lesson. We're going to start with our sounds, our phonemes, by tapping them out. So you need your tapping hand. And here we go. Our first word is trip. Tr, ip. 4 sounds, 4 phonemes. Our next word is swim. Sw, im. 4 sounds, 4 phonemes. So we tap for each sound. Our next word is plus. Pl, us. 4 sounds. Our next word is smell. Smell. 4 sounds, 4 phonemes. Our next word is slide. Slide. 4 sounds, 4 phonemes. Our next word is track. Track. 4 sounds, 4 phonemes. Let's review some closed syllable words we've been working on. We've got some S blends at the beginning. We've got our short vowel pointers at the end after a short vowel. I or or ah or eh. Our TCH, our DGE, FF, LL, SS. Okay, you read these at the same time as me. Smudge, witch, smack, stiff, swell, loss, swish, thin, ship. Let's read these again. A little bit smoother now, a little bit like we're talking. Smudge, witch, smack, stiff, swell, loss, swish, thin, ship. Now I want to talk about one word on here, a couple words that we haven't talked about yet. Smudge. Do you know what a smudge is? A smudge is like what's on this board right here, where it looks like it's been wiped off a little bit, not too well. Or if I would take one of these letters and put my finger through it, I would smudge it, I would mess it up. Witch. Now look at it. This is not the question word. This does not start with a WH. We've been working on that word. No WH. This is just the TCH. This is the Halloween witch that we're talking about with the TCH. All right, let's read these if you like to go down water slides. Have you ever done that? Here we go. Smudge, witch, smack, stiff, swell, loss, swish, thin, ship. Good. Have you ever jumped off a diving board? Ooh, you gotta be brave for that. If you like to do that, read these words out loud. Smudge, witch, smack, stiff, swell, loss, swish, thin, ship. Now let's see, let's play a little game. I'm thinking of a word and it is the opposite, the antonym of thick. Thick, the opposite would be thin. I'm thinking of a word and it would be the opposite, the antonym of having a win at a game. You want it the opposite, you have a loss. Yes. I'm thinking of a word and it's a synonym. It means the same as a large boat. Ship, right. I'm thinking of a word and it's the synonym. It means the same as a hit. You hit the ball, you smack the ball. I'm thinking of a word and it's the synonym to like getting big. If you get a bug bite and it gets bigger, or you break your arm and it just starts getting bigger right away. Swell, right there. I'm thinking of a word and you see it at Halloween time flying on a broom. Witch. I'm thinking of a word and it's when I write and it gets smeared. Another word for smeared. It gets kind of like what this is. Smudge, right. All right, this time you shout the word out before I exit out and say it. Here we go. Swell, ship, loss, swish, stiff, smack, thin, smudge, witch. Good reading. All right, now let's go over something. We've been working on our blends, our beginning blends. Let's review. So we had SN that says SN, SW that says SW, SP that says SP, SK that says SK, ST that says ST. I've got some new ones now. You noticed all those started with S. Well, guess what? Today we are learning about some R blends. Why do you think I call them an R blend? Because they have an R in all of them, yes. And they each have their sound. So if we would tap out, we would say pr, dr, kr. We say each sound. PR says pr, DR says dr, CR says cr, pr as in prize or present, DR dr as in drip, CR cr as in crab. We're going to practice those today. Okay, so we still have closed syllables because they end in a consonant. Our vowel says it's sound, it's short sound, a or I or 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 You echo me. Here we go. Crash, crab, cram, drip, drag, drum, print, press, prop. Let's go back and read these at the same time. A little bit smoother now. Crash, crab, cram, drip, drag, drum, print, press, prop. So let's talk about some of these. Print is what you do when you make your letters. That is called printing. A prop is something that people use when they do a play on stage and they might be holding something that they're acting out with and pretending. When you pretend, you're using a prop. Cram. That's another word for I'm gonna stuff something like in your backpack and it's about ready to pop. You got so much stuff in it, you're trying to cram, you're trying to push one more thing in there. That's cram. All right. So let's read these again. You read them if you like to eat candy bars. Are candy bars maybe your favorite Halloween treat to get? If so, read them real loud. Crash, crab, cram, drip, drag, drum, print, press, prop. How about you read them really loud if your favorite Halloween candy to get is a sucker? Crash, crab, cram, drip, drag, drum, print, press, prop. How about if your favorite Halloween candy to get is gum? Read real loud. Crash, crab, cram, drip, drag, drum, print, press, prop. One more time. If you just like all the Halloween candy, read them out loud. Crash, crab, cram, drip, drag, drum, print, press, prop. Good. This time, I want you to shout out the word before I say it and exit out. Ready? Drag, print, drip, prop, cram, press. Press has that SS at the end. Crash, drum, crab. So you noticed all of our blends were at the beginning of the word. Start that word, C-R, D-R-P-R at the beginning. All right, we're going to practice some more on our piece of paper. Let's get our paper out. Put your name and date. Okay. Here we go. Write me the lowercase letter that says I, as in itch. It's an I. Write me the lowercase letters that say ch, as in catch. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, ch is spelled T-C-H. Write me the lowercase letter that says A, as in apple. It's an A. Write me the lowercase letters that say F, as in off. I hear it at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. F is spelled FF. Write me the lowercase letter that says as in up. It's a U. Write me the lowercase letters that say sm. I hear two letters. It's an S blend, SM. Write me the lowercase letters that say k, as in duck. I hear it at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. K is spelled CK. Write me the lowercase letters that say sn, as in snip. SN, it's an S blend. Write me the lowercase letter that says ah, as in ox. It's an O. Write me the lowercase letters that say j, as in bridge. I hear it at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. J is spelled DGE. Write me the lowercase letter that says E, as in edge. It's an E. Write me the lowercase letters that say sk, as in skip. It's an SK. That's all we've learned so far. SK. Sk. All right, let's get ready to spell our words. We need our tapping hand to help us. Our first word is smudge. Ooh, it's a double whammy. It's got an S blend at the beginning, something at the end. Let's tap it. Smudge. 4 sounds, but 6 letters. Smudge. I hear it at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. J is spelled D-G-E. S-M-U-D-G-E, smudge. Your next word to tap out, get your tapper out, is snack. Snack. 4 sounds, but 5 letters. Snack. I hear the k at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. K is spelled C-K, like in duck. S-N-A-C-K. Your next word is skim. Skim. 4 sounds, 4 letters. Remember the sk that we know at the beginning is S-K. M. S-K-I-M. Your next one is stick. St-ick. 4 sounds, but 5 letters. St-ick. Oh, I hear that k. Powerful k at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. K is spelled C-K. Let's go back and read these together. Ready? Read them with me. Smudge, snack, skim, stick. Good. All right, we're going to, at our diamond, go over our blends that we're learning. CR says cr. Can you write that and say it? CR says cr. DR says dr. DR says dr. Make sure you made a D. And our other one we're practicing, PR says pr. PR says pr. Good. Let's flip our paper over. And let's get ready to practice. We need our tapper hand out. Here we go. Our first word is crash. Ready? Crash. 4 sounds, but 5 letters. Crash. Good job. C-R-A-S-H. Our next word, drip. Ready? Drip. 4 sounds, 4 letters. You hear that D. Drip. Drip. D-R-I-P. Make sure you made a D. Our next word is press. Ready? Press. 4 sounds, but 5 letters. Press. I hear this at the end of a 1-syllable word after 1 short vowel. S is spelled S-S. P-R-E-S-S. Your last one, drum. Drum. 4 sounds, 4 letters. Drum. D-R-U-M. Let's go back and read these together. Read them with me. Here we go. Crash, drip, press, drum. Good. Now we don't have a brand new memory word today. We talked about this word yesterday. Do you remember what it says? There. T-H-E-I-R. Now, we have 2 kinds of theirs. This there, listen to my sentence, that is their house. That is their car. That is their pet. It belongs to them. So this shows ownership. Are you ready? Get your superpower arm out to write. Here we go. T-H-E-I-R. Says there. T-H-E-I-R. Says there. T-H-E-I-R. Says there. I want you to say it with me as we write it. T-H-E-I-R. Says there. T-H-E-I-R. Says there. T-H-E-I-R. Says there. T-H-E-I-R. Says there. All right, let's put our pen down. Let's write 2 more times. Ready? T-H-E-I-R. Says there. Close your eyes and try it. T-H-E-I-R. Says there. Can you flip your card over? Can you do it without looking? Maybe you're better at it today. Let's check. T-H-E-I-R. Says there. That is their house. Do you remember how to spell the word how? How are you today? Or I know how to write my name. H-O-W. Says how. It rhymes with cow. Do you remember how to spell do? Do you know how to spell the word do? I do know how to spell the word do. D-O says do. Did you get it? D-O says do. Make sure you made a D. All right, let's get ready for our sentence. C for capital, O for order, P for punctuation, S for spelling. Might be a telling sentence with a period. Might be a question mark for an asking sentence. Might be an exclamation point to show expression. You have to listen to the voice. We write and read from left to right, edge to edge. Here it is. Can I have a snack? Oh, you might ask me or your mom or dad, can I have a snack? My voice goes up. I'm wondering, can I? Yes or no, can I have a snack? Ah, so we're asking for a snack. It's a question mark. Let's count our words. Can I have a snack? 5 words. Okay, we start with our capital, can. That's been a memory word. You can tap it out if you need to. Can. I by itself is always uppercase. Can I, leave some space, have? We've had have for a long time. No English word ends in B, always followed by silent E. Can I have a snack? Let's tap out snack. Snack. I hear a powerful K at the end. Snack. Oh, I hear it at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. K is spelled CK. Now remember, can I have a snack? You're wondering, you're asking, it's a question. We're using can as a question word. You're asking something. Can I have a snack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. You've got your capital, you've got your words in order because we reread it. Punctuation, spelling. We kind of knew these were memory words. We just had to tap out snack. Remember our CK. Good job today.